Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru Assembly member for South Wales Central. I'm walking down the Senedd now, and I'm walking to Grangetown. And there's a question for Grangetown residents. In the last 4 years, you've had Labour councillors. Has Grangetown got cleaner or not? Let's take a look. Look at this. We've got gutters here, just basically caked with mud. They've clearly not been cleaned for some time. There's rubbish here. Over here. I would like to pick this up and put it in a bin, but there's no bin in the immediate vicinity. So, not just Grangetown, we want to get Cardiff cleaner. So next May, council elections, let's get rid of this really bad Labour council and clean up Cardiff. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.